Welcome to the RCBC Library. If you are faced with a large amount of search results, there are several things you can do to narrow down what is displayed on the screen. These tips can be applied across the board to most other databases, even ones that are not affiliated with EBSCOhost. Let's go back to the search bars. You always want to put something in the first search bar, for example, a topic, phrase, word, or name. If you put something in the secondary search bar, such as a recession paired with inflation in the first search bar, you will usually get a smaller number of search results. You can use the third box as well. For example, maybe by including the term economics, you will get an even smaller number of search results. If you fill out your search boxes and you're met with 0 results, then you will need to clear either one of the search bars you're using or change the words you've put in. For example, if you change the phrase inflation to interest rates, you will see different content displayed. You can also change the smaller boxes that connect the first, second, and third boxes. Changing and to or is useful to do if you have two phrases that are frequently combined with one another, like teenagers and young adults. If you change the small box to the word not, your search will eliminate whatever is in that box. If you use the term not America in the second box, you will not be shown any articles that have the word America in the title, outline, summary, keywords, or subject words. Another thing you can do to alter the amount of articles displayed or to alter the content that is displayed in the search results is to make use of quotation marks. Let me demonstrate how this works. Let's put the phrase interest rate in the first search bar, but this time we'll put quotation marks around the phrase interest rate. Our search results have gone down from the number that was displayed when we first searched that phrase without quotation marks. The reason this happened is because when you put the word or phrase in quotation marks, you are saying to the search engine, only show me articles that display the content for inflation rate, the subject. Without quotation marks, every article that has these words in any order or context will be displayed in your search results. Remember, we're always here to help.